Good morning, everyone. So, as we already started the new lesson, that is the cell building blocks of life, we already discussed about the history behind the cell, then the difference between the eukaryotic cell and the prokaryotic cell. Now, today we are going to learn about that the most important part of the lesson, that is a plant cell and the animal cell. Let us discuss. First, you just see the diagram. Now, first, this one is the diagram of the plant cell. So you have to see all the organelles which is present in case of the plant cell. Afterwards you have to draw the same diagram on your notebook also. Now the next diagram, here it is a animal cells. Okay, so here you can see the structure of the animal cell. So in this diagram also some things are present which are not present in the plant cell. So here let us discuss about the difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. सो डायग्राम देखते ही हम डिफरेंस बोल सकते हैं, जैसे कि नाउ लुक एट हियर टू cells are given, that is a plant cell and the animal cell. So you can say that the plant cell is larger than the animal cell. The size of the plant cell is larger as compared to the animal cell. Then the plant cells are present in rectangular shape and the animal cells are present in irregular shapes. Okay, now the plant cell, take one leaf is having green color, and compare with your hand is not having a green color. It means that something is present in the leaf which is not present in case of the hand. It means that the plastids are present in plant cell, but that plastids are not present in the animal cell. Because of that plastids, that leaves is getting the green color, and because that are absent in the animal cell, that's why animal is not having any hand or leg in a green color. Okay, now let's discuss with some more point. First is the shape. So animal cell is having different sizes. They are round or irregular shapes, but the plant is having fixed shape. They are rectangular or the cube shape. So this is the first difference between them, shape. Now the next is energy storage. In case of the animal cells store energy in the form of carbohydrate. एनिमल जो होते हैं वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट के फॉर्म में एनर्जी स्टोर करते हैं, बट द प्लांट सेल्स स्टोर एनर्जी in the form of the starch, because due to the photosynthesis process they are preparing their own food, because of it is in the form of the starch. Now again let's discuss about some differences. First is the cell wall. In case of the plant cell, the outside layer you can see that cell wall is present in the plant cell, but whenever we are discussing about the animal cell, the cell wall is absent in case of the animal cell. Next is the shape. We already discussed the plant cell is having a rectangular shape, and the animal cell is having circular or irregular shape. Third one is a vacuole. In case of the plant cell, the vacuole is 90% larger as compared to the animal cell. Okay, जो plant cell में होता है वो vacuole 90% larger होता है. in ब्लूइश कलर में प्लांट सेल में आप देख सकते हो, बट इन केस ऑफ द एनिमल सेल द वोकल आर प्रेजेंट बट साइज मोर वोकल्स आर देयर बट साइज इज वेरी लेस. नेक्स्ट इज अ क्लोरोप्लास्ट. सो प्लांट सेल हैव क्लोरोप्लास्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दे मेक देयर ओन फूड, क्योंकि फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस दे कैन बी परफॉर्म, बट इन एनिमल सेल्स क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज absent. Next is a plastids. In plant cell plastids are present, and in animal cell plastids are absent. Next one is a lysosomes. Lysosomes are usually not evident. They are not present in the plant cell, but lysosomes are present in case of the animal cell in the form of the cytoplasm. So these all are the differences between the plant cell and the animal cell. आई होप सारे डिफरेंसेस आपको समझ में आ गए हैं. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस विद द सिमिलरिटीज बिटवीन द प्लांट सेल एंड द एनिमल सेल. whenever we are talking about the differences, so that time similarities are also there. So first similarity between the plant cell and the animal cell is that is endoplastic reticulum. Endoplastic reticulum is present in case of the plant cell, and it is also present in case of the animal cell. Ribosome is present in plant cell, ribosome is present in the animal cell. Now the next is next part is Mitochondria is present in the plant cell. Mitochondria is also present in the animal cell. These are the organelles which present in the plant cell and animal cells also. Nucleus is present in the plant cell. Nucleus is also present in the animal cell. It is located in the animal cell also. Then Golgi apparatus is present in plant cells, and the Golgi apparatus is present in animal cells. So these are the similarities between the. Then cytoplasm is also there. Cytoplasm is present in both the cells. So these all are the similarities between plant cell and the animal cells.